Good day and welcome to our short unboxing and review of the Mpow Sport wireless Bluetooth headphones. As you can see, they come in three different colors commonly: the red, blue, and black. The red packaging, I believe this is just newer packaging, by the way, so don't worry about the earbuds being listed as different. It's the same. So let's just take a quick look at the packaging so you can see what's listed here. What it boils down to is they all have a built-in mic, and they're IPX7 waterproof. That's really the big deal. So you can go to the gym, you probably don't go swimming with them, but you can go to the beach, you can get in the water and not be too worried about it. Yeah, so let's open one up. So they're sealed here. To make it faster, I've already cut this, so let's take these two and put them away. So here I've already cut these. Let's just pop this out. And yeah, package gone. Package gone, yeah, enough said. How does that open? There we go. That opens like that. All right, so yeah, this is a big deal. So what this is telling us, this little green card is telling us, is that you really do not want to use this with a fast charger. You want to use this with the old slow chargers. And if you do use it with a fast charger, you could get a fire. So that's, I don't know whether that's actually going to happen, but I can tell you I'm not going to find out. So just take note of that. Let's look at the packaging here. This is just promotional, garbage promotional material. Nothing I'm too interested in. And we'll look at that in a minute. And that's just your standard box. Nothing exciting there either. Okay, so now in the packaging, because I've seen this one before. There we go. In the packaging, you can see it has the instructions, which are not rocket science, but it boils down to the earpiece. Well, let's just open it up and we'll take a look. So there we go. So this comes with a bunch of earbuds. You can change the size. Typically for me, these work just fine. There's also a cable to charge it. And comes in this snappy little case, which I also couldn't care less about, but some people will care about. So it's a hard shell with it's a bit foamy, so you could put it in anything really, and it would be just fine. It's nice and firm without being stiff, so you can pack it or squish it, it'll be fine. Okay, so let's go through this. Here's the earbuds themselves, which is really what we're paying for here, and so there are two earbuds, which is not a shock to anybody watching this. However, only one of them has, basically one of them is just a cabled second version. So the right bud has no switches or power connectors or anything on it. It's just cabled in, so we're just going to ignore that for now. However, on the other bud, on the bottom is the USB charger, and you can see it's the old school charger. USB connector. There's a button here, and that button will act as the power on and power off. And there's also a plus and a minus here, which is tough to see, but it is there. And if you press and hold, that will change forwards or backwards the music you're listening to. If you just click it for a second and release it, you will get volume up or down. So the microphone is also built into this. So let's just take a look at how to Bluetooth these up. Okay, so as you can see in the manual here, what you need to do is press and hold the button for 1 to 2 seconds till it powers on. The light will turn blue or teal or green or whatever you want to call that. If you hold it for 3 or 4 seconds, it'll actually power back off, unless it's not paired. If you hold it for 3 to 4 seconds when it's not paired, it'll put it in pairing mode, and it will flash. So let's go through that. So I'm going to get the correct earbud. That's the one there. I'm going to press the button for just a second. 1, 2. There it is. Okay, so it's powered up. Now I'm going to unlock my phone, and I'm going to select scan, and boom, already in pairing mode. That's happy. I'll click on it. It'll do pairing. And badingo. Now I can tell you from experience that these earbuds are very good. Are you going to confuse them with $200, Bose earbuds? No, you're definitely not. But they come with lots of earbud sizes, so they'll fit your ear nicely. That's the noise canceling, by the way. There's no active noise canceling here, but they do fit in nice. They have a very good build quality. They're not cheap. These do not look like the cables are going to tear off. Everything's nice and solid. And as far as the controls go, they seem to work. The hooks are great on your ear if you're doing anything sporty. They are waterproof, water resistant, as we said. So you can, take them to the beach. You can, take them anywhere. You can get sweaty with them if you're running. That won't be a problem. You probably just don't want to go swimming with them, but that's really about it. Yeah, and as far as sound quality goes, I just want to say again that whoever you're listening to is telling you their personal opinion, and there's really no way to judge the quality of these without having them in your own ears. So I'll finish up by saying that they are good quality. I'm happy with them. I have bought a number of them for a number of people, and no complaints so far. So they will not be confused with $10 cheapy buds, and they will not be confused with $200 high-end buds either. They're somewhere in the middle. Probably worth more than what I paid for them, which was about $25, $22, $23, something like that US, about $30 Canadian. Yeah, if you have any questions, please get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. Thank you. Bye-bye.